Yo, what's up, soldiers? Today we're diving into the top 3 best and worst guns in Call of Duty Mobile as 2025. Whether you are sweating in rank or just trying to get that new, this guide will save you from using garbage guns and show you the real meta. Let's go. Starting with the best of the best, these guns dominate the current meta, and if you are not using them, you are missing out. First up, the Krig 6. This gun is literally a laser. Low recoil, amazing range, and it sheds in both multiplayer and battle royale. Well, it's perfect for aggressive and passive players. Slap on the right attachments and you will be unstoppable. At number 2, we've got the switchable X9. This SMG is built for speed demons, insane fire rate, tight hip fire, and great mobility. Number 3, the DLQ-33. Classic sniper, still dominant, one-shot kill, fast ADS, and the right build, and perfect for quick scoping. And if you've got the aim, this gun will carry your highlights. Now let's talk about the worst of the worst guns you should avoid unless you are trolling your friends. Uh, okay. So this part can be controversial because after I used these guns, I was like, come on, man, this is one of the best guns. Come on. Well, all the blames goes to ChatGPT because I asked him. Okay, the first gun is guys, is that Chicom, is that Shecom, or is that something else? I don't know. Tell me in the comment section. I am uneducated. Well, back to the point. This gun, according to ChatGPT, this is one of the worst guns. But I use that, and the only thing I can say is it's one of the best. Like if you have skills, then of course you can use any guns and you can win every single rank match if you have skills. Okay. And second is, according to ChatGPT, it's M4. Are you serious? It's M4? Are you serious, ChatGPT? Like, bro, who the hell ranked this at worst? Come on, man. This is the goddess gun. Like, come on, when I start playing Call of Duty Mobile for the first time, and the only gun I was able to use is M4. Of course, bro, don't even lie. And last but not least, it's HS0405. I don't know if I spell it right or wrong. I don't even know what the fuck is this. No doubt I like it. I can't speak anything because bro, ChatGPT is one of the dumbest AI I have ever seen. Cause bro, who the fuck called a shotgun a shit? Come on, bro, come on. This is a shotgun, and shotgun specially made for close ranges. Come on, bro. ChatGPT, please have some shames. So there you have it, the top 3 best and worst guns in Call of Duty Mobile right now. Drop a comment if I roasted your favorite gun. Of course not. Or if I missed a secret meta weapon you're using, so you can comment. And yeah, here I am. I'm going to sleep. We'll meet you in the next battlefield.